Hello, another quick tool review. Snap-on taking on the Napa Carlyle brand. Both tools purchased by me at my own money. Snap-on one's about 5 years old. It's a 6-point end spanner. The Napa one is a multi-point end spanner. The Snap-on one is made in America. The Napa brand one is made in Taiwan. Initial impact from holding both to the hand. Snap-on one is weighing in at 53 grams and the Napa one is 59 grams, and you can feel that. Snap-on one does feel a bit lighter, but it is a nice balanced spanner. The Carlyle one, the Napa, this one here, feels a little bit heavier and slightly unbalanced. However, they both have excellent finish. Obviously, Snap-on, you would expect that. This Napa one, I'm really impressed with it again. We've had a few of their other tools. Some of the tools by this Napa brand I've been really impressed with. Some of them I've been a bit like, not too sure about this. Don't think it's worth the money. I think these Napa ones are coming in a set of these is I think 7mm to 24mm is about £70. The Snap-on sets are around about 250 quid. They do obviously make a better flank drive, better grip end ones now. This one's about 5 years old, but anyway, for just a quick comparison, two spanners we had lying around. Also, we've just purchased this one. They're both excellent tools. Would I pay the extra for the Snap-on? If I'm in a workshop working day in, day out on vehicles, then I think you'd be stupid not to go for the Snap-on ones. If you're a home mechanic, someone starting out, or need a spare set of spanners in the toolbox, or maybe in a truck just to go out for the odd breakdown or something, or your home mechanic, this Napa brand really is looking good. Some of their stuff now is excellent, and this is probably one of the best tools we've come across so far. Just got a piece of 10mm bar here, and both, this is a Snap-on one going onto it now. Slight little bit of play in there as you would expect, and the same when you put your end piece on. Slight little bit of play in there, nothing major, but that's what you would expect. I'm expecting more play with this Napa-on, to be fair, and I would say it's just ever so slightly more play in there. About the same on the end, but obviously this is a multi-point tool, unlike the Snap-on, which is the 12-point end, 6-point end, sorry. So, quick conclusion, both excellent tools, both excellent value. I think both of them would deserve to be in anyone's toolboxes. Snap-on, if you're a professional mechanic, definitely keep buying your Snap-on. It's definitely worth the money and the lifetime warranty. For your home mechanic or someone starting out, this Napa brand really is starting to produce some excellent tools.